Good morning. Fucking chilly up here. Holy fuck. Feels like it's... Oh, my blinker's still on. I'm such a noob. Oh, God. It's nice out, but it's fucking like... It's like 30 degrees it feels like, man. Wind chill's like 30. By the way, I live in Alaska, so... Fucking 30. Oh my God. It's fucking cold. It's one way to wake up, right? Get off your fucking phone, you cunt. I'll be like the snow cat. But snow cat? I'm a new driver. Probably did that horrible. Oh, not to mention, I got like, went to sleep at 3 o'clock, and right now it is 7:49. I gotta be at work at 8, so that wasn't really too smart of me. Oh yeah. Hey. And I'm fucking behind a semi. Why didn't I see that in the first place? Probably because I only got 4 hours of sleep. Wait, is that 4 hours? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, that is 4 hours. I was supposed to wake up at 7. I woke up at fucking 7:35. Oh man. Good thing I took a shower last night. That'd be bad, because you don't take a shower, you stink. It's just like it's normal for everybody. I don't get how people can't take a shower, but that's just me. Hey, look at this. What kind of fucking truck is this? I know it's a Ford, but it's not even a Lightning. Has this bumper. Dude, you're not a fucking car, bro. Look at the side skirts on this thing, man. Oh my gosh. What are those? It's not even a fucking Lightning either. To each his own. If he likes it, he likes it. Oh yeah, that turning radius. Don't you love when you look around at stoplights and people know that you're looking at them, but then they just look straight. Because you see them looking at you at first, and then you look at them, and then they just turn back around and they just look straight ahead. Like, you can just say hi. I guess I do look kind of scary on this bike. It's pretty loud. Can't see my face. Has a pretty badass helmet. Okay, I understand. I did the same thing. Wow, me and him, we have great minds think alike. He just changed his lane and I did too, at the same time. I should stay on the right lane so I could cut everybody off over here, but... oh yeah, green light, let's go baby. Let's go, you cunt. Oh, good thing I stayed on this lane. I'm really not sure how the audio is going to be. Maybe you can't even hear me because of my mic, but maybe you can't hear me because it's a shitty mic. I'm not sure. I got this mic for like $3 on fucking eBay, which I shouldn't have done. I should have actually got a GoPro mic or whatever. But I just thought, I was like, fuck it, I might as well try it. But later on, I'm probably going to get another mic. Something a little bit better. Koji! Oh, that downshift though. Oh yeah. What's up, baby? Oh yeah. I'm gonna wake up your son. I don't know if you guys saw that. There's a bunch of people waiting for the bus. They're staring at me. Oh, look at that. I'm about to be early for work, even though I woke up late. What is that? I just noticed a lot of people aren't a fan of my exhaust. I mean, I could understand why, but I mean, like, something I like. I like that exhaust. Speaking of exhaust, look at this bad boy. See those fucking tips, bro? Hey, what's up, man? Hey, what's up, man? Ducati Monster. I don't know. I've heard those things are slow. I'm not sure. Maybe 1300 is pretty quick. I'm assuming it's a fucking 1300. Better be quick. But go ahead and pick him out. Okay. Oh my god. Later, Broham. I just posted up here at this fucking red light. Hey, I seen more bikes. It's about to be coming from me too. We're gonna wave to them. I think it's the same fucker that I'll see. Oh, I know those guys. It's fucking funny. I saw a ZX14 though right there. Shit's nice. I wouldn't really want to own one, but I mean, it looks really weird. I mean, like the performance is there, I'm assuming, because that's a 1400, but it probably weighs like fucking 600 pounds. Love my do. That's an awesome plate. I think I'm recording. Dad. Done with the hype. Done with the hype, nigga. Done with the hype. It's clean. I've always wanted a Lexus LS400, and that body is spanking. Especially that ass. I think it's dope. I wonder if he'd sell it to me. He looks older. He probably bought it brand new. Look at the squid. With his hair just going with the wind. Me right here, baby. I love these roundabouts. Only ones I like in the city, because you don't have to worry about dying. Well, I mean, you can die either way, but not as bad as some of the ones over here. Pet peeve is people in roundabouts not putting their blinkers on. Waste my time. I can't even MotoGP this thing, man. I could rev a little bit, but I'll be a douche. But fuck it, I am a douche anyway. Dude, I should go on the right. I should go on the right, huh? Yeah, I should. Because I'm a bike and I go fast, right? Do I know you? No, I don't know you. Let's wait a little bit, because this road sucks right here. This part of the road does. I didn't see any cop. Hopefully there's no cops up there. Yeah.
Don't you open up that window.